In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your private key in Phantom Wallet. Let's dive right in. First, open up any web browser and head over to your Phantom Wallet extension. Once you're there, you'll want to tap on your profile icon, which you can find at the top left corner of your screen. A menu will appear. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Settings page. Next, find and select the option that says Manage Accounts. This is where you'll manage all the accounts linked to your wallet. Once you're sure you're in the Manage Accounts section, go ahead and choose the specific account you want to work with. After selecting your account, click on the Show Private Key option. Before proceeding, you'll need to enter your wallet password for security reasons. This step ensures that no unauthorized person can gain access to your sensitive information. After you've entered the correct password, you can then select the wallet account for which you want to view the private key. There will be a prompt requiring you to check a box to confirm your action. Once you've done that, simply click Continue. Your private key will be displayed at this point. Make sure to copy it securely and handle it with the utmost care. Remember, your private key is crucial to the security of your wallet. Never share it with anyone, and consider storing it securely in a password manager if possible. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your private key in Phantom Wallet. Stay safe and keep your investment secure. Thanks for watching.